Alrighty, today's lesson is reading. Today's activity is called 15 Minutes of Pie. The Everson family, Mr. and Mrs. Everson, their sons Ethan and Jason, and daughters Hannah and Emily, were gathered around their dining room table finishing up Sunday dinner. "What's for dessert, Mom?" Ethan asked as he helped his mother clear away the last of the plates. "Your dad baked an apple pie," Miss Everson answered. "Yummy!" exclaimed Ethan's sister Emily from her high chair at the end of the table, clapping her hands. "Well, I would like 15 minutes of pie, please," Ethan said with a big grin as he sat back down at the table. 15 minutes of pie? What does that mean?" asked his brother Jason, who was a couple years younger than Ethan. He was very confused. "Mr. Lavelle is teaching us about time in school," Ethan replied. "He was in the second grade and they were just starting to learn how to tell time on a clock. He told us that the clock can be divided into four 15-minute sections, like the pieces of a pie. 15 times 4 is 60, and there are 60 minutes in an hour." "Very good, son," Mr. Everson said, smiling. "So then, may I have 15 minutes of pie, please?" Ethan asked again, as his mother placed the dessert on the table. Hands on her hips, Miss Everson looked at her son. "How about you have 10 minutes of pie and save some for the rest of us?" she answered. Activity number 1. Number 1. What time is shown on the clock? What time will it be when the minute hand is on the 1? What time will it be when the minute hand is on the 2? What time will it be when the minute hand is on the 3? What time will it be when the minute hand is on the 6? Number 2. Which picture shows 15 minutes of pie shaded? A, B, C, or D? Number 3. How many people are eating at the Everson's family dining room table? Number 4. If a pie is cut into 15-minute sections, how many pieces are there? Number 5. Why didn't Miss Everson want Ethan to have 15 minutes of pie? A, because she wanted him to eat more pie. B, because there wouldn't be enough for everyone. C, because she didn't want him to have more than 5 minutes of pie. D, because there would be too much pie left over. Number 6. If Ethan ate 30 minutes of pie, how much pie would he have eaten? A tiny piece of it. B, all of it. C, half of it. D, more than half of it. Activity number 2. Number 1. Jason ate 10 minutes of pie. Shade in the amount of pie he ate. Number 2. Ethan wanted 15 minutes of pie. Shade in the amount of pie he wanted. Number 3. Hannah ate 5 minutes of pie. Shade in the amount of pie she ate. Number 4. Mr. and Mrs. Everson ate 20 minutes of pie. Shade in the amount of pie that they ate. Number 5. The Everson family ate 50 minutes of pie altogether. Shade in the amount of pie they ate. That concludes today's lesson. Please make sure to submit your work on Teams. Thank you.